Hello friends, welcome to Show Me's World, and today I will teach this super easy and quick fish curry recipe with only 4 ingredients. With the great flavors of ginger and garlic, you get this delicious and mouth-watering fish curry or macher jhal, as my grandmother used to call it, and this is her specialty. So let's quickly get started. As I've mentioned before, you just need 4 ingredients. You got me right. You need roughly chopped onions, roughly chopped garlic and ginger, and lots of green chilies as per your choice of heat level. And also you need, of course, cooking oil and salt for tasting. For cooking, the pan is hot and the oil is hot too, and I'm adding in the fish. I'm using here rohu fish, Bengali cut, and I've already marinated them with little bit of salt and turmeric powder. Once both the sides of the fish is cooked well and is light brown in color, the fish won't take much time to cook on both the sides, and I'm frying them for 2 minutes on each side on high flame. Once both the sides of the fish is light brown in color, I am transferring them on a separate bowl and going to use it later on. Using the same oil I have used to fry the fish, adding in the green chilies into the hot oil. Thereafter, I am adding in the chopped onions. Frying the onions until it becomes translucent or light brown in color. Once the oil has started to separate from the onions and it's translucent in color, I'm adding in the roughly chopped garlic and the ginger together. Frying the ginger and garlic until it becomes translucent and oil starts to separate. Adding salt as per your taste, approximately half a tablespoon to 1 tablespoon of salt I'm adding here, and going to fry all of them together well. So the main crux of this recipe is to fry all the ingredients very well, and once oil starts to separate from the ingredients, it's time to add water in it. I'm adding here approximately 1 cup of warm water. Once it comes to a good boil, now I'm going to add one by one the fried fish into the curry, slowly turning the fish on each side and then covering the pan with the lid and let it simmer for approximately 5 to 6 minutes in medium flame. After simmering it for 6 minutes, I can see that the fish curry is ready and oil has started to separate. This smells so amazing and looks so mouth-watering, and I cannot wait to just have this fish curry with some steamed plain rice. Just look at this curry. This is so simple and easy, but if you're going to try it, you will understand that this is so mouth-watering. So just give this recipe a try and let me know how did you find it. Like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget please to hit the bell icon to get notifications of all the new recipes. See you soon. Bye-bye.